Welcome to our Teacher Technology Google Classroom tutorial. I'm Jamie Mallett, your Innovative Learning Specialist for the Scotland County School District, and let's go ahead and get started. First off, to find our Google Classroom, you will need to sign into your Google account and go up here where these little dots are. Those are your Google apps. If you click on it, you want to select the green chalkboard that says Classroom under it, and that is Google Classroom. It's going to bring up your dashboard, and at this dashboard, it's going to show you your list of classes that you personally have, that you are the teacher of, or also classes that you are enrolled in. So if you are a part of the high school staff, more than likely you are a part of Mr. Stott's Google Classroom, and my Teacher Technology one as well. Now, of course, with Google Classroom, you can go ahead and scroll through the feed and see everything that's been posted. But I want this process to be very simple and easy for you because the whole purpose of this Google Classroom is communication. Instead of bombarding you with a bunch of emails, trying to feed you information, I would much rather like to post things here, whether it be a document, a tutorial, new information, anything that's going to help you with technology in the classroom. Now, the best way to keep this organized for you is to break it down into topics. So if you look here in the left-hand corner, we have Apple issues and questions, iPad app request form, IT troubleshooting form, My Classroom recipes, and Tech Tab bulletin. And I'm sure over time there'll be other topics added as well. Now, if at any time you are having trouble with an Apple product, or maybe you have questions about technology in the classroom, or how to use the iPads with the kids, or maybe you just want some ideas when it comes to integrating technology, I would be more than happy to help you. One of the best ways to contact me is if you click on this Apple Issues and Questions, it will take you to the Google form. If you fill out this Google form and tell me what you're looking for, it'll submit it to me and I will have information to get back to you, and I will schedule an appointment or we can meet up, something where we can share ideas together. Now, an iPad app request form. You will come across apps that you want on your students' iPads. The best way for you to get those apps on your student iPad is to click on that topic right there. It'll take you to this Google form that you fill out and explain what this app is for and how the students are going to be using it. Also, the IT troubleshooting form. If you are having trouble with printers or projectors or any kind of technology that is not Apple related, you can go ahead and fill out this form and our tech assistants will get to it as fast as they possibly can. If you click on My Classroom recipes, I run an educational blog and it has technology tips or classroom strategies, and so you're more than welcome to check this out and see if there's anything that you can take away from it. And then also every week or two I will be posting a tech tab, which is like a newsletter or a bulletin, and it will have little strategies or little tips for you to take away. Our first one is on MacBook keyboard shortcuts. I'm a big fan of shortcuts, anything to save time, and how to do iPad multitasking. So you can just see that those are posted on our Google Classroom and check those out as we go week by week. Now, if you click up here on students, it will show everybody who's enrolled in it, and that'll be all the faculty in the district. If you click on the About tab up at the top, our Classroom Drive folder, right now we have our Tech Tab bulletins in there. We'll put the Technology Handbook in there and any other documents that you'll need when it comes to technology. Now, Classroom Calendar, if you click on that, it will show you a list of all your assignments and when they're due. You're not going to have assignments for that, so really the Classroom Calendar is of no use. Now, the Google Calendar, this is something that I will keep regularly updated. So if you look at this calendar, it'll show you where I'm at and where I'm going to be located. So maybe some days I'll be in the elementary school, other days I'll be in the high school. Maybe you just want to find me because you have a quick question. This will kind of delegate where I'm going to be. Also, if you want to set up an appointment so I can come in on your planning period and we can work on technology together or lesson plan, any of that, I will schedule you in this calendar so your date and time is untouched. Right here is another Google Calendar. It's the same Google Calendar, but this one is open to the public, and it is just a little bit more basic than the previous Google Calendar. If at any time you have any questions about our Google Classroom, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you.